To start a business, you don't have to be highly educated. All you need is a little determination and an interest to learn.
These are the words of Udbejini Pradhan, a housewife from Gadamunda village who is now a successful entrepreneur cultivating mushrooms and selling her produce. Similar is the story of various women of Gadamunda, a small village with a population of around 4300 in Basantpur block of Sambalpur, Odisha.
The aftermath of pandemic and the lockdown had left many families in the village in dire need of financial income. However, most women of our village were housewives and we could do nothing to alleviate our families from this condition. Before the training sessions, we all rarely did anything other than our household work. After the pandemic, most of us were anxious about managing the daily expenses because there was no source of income. When the PACE life skills training began in the village, it was the right opportunity for women of Gadamunda. The training inspired us to do something of our own, to earn and be equal stakeholders in our families.
Women workforce participation in rural areas is less because of various reasons like inability to balance work life and personal life, lack of opportunities and awareness about them, and because of a lack of aspirations to be self-reliant. One of the aims of the PACE life skill training is to address these issues, especially in rural areas.
The gap in space life skill training inspired us to work towards solving our problems, effectively communicate our demands, and take firm decisions. Motivated by the training, we women started putting forth and sharing our ideas, from where it emerged that we all want to work in a manner that we can use our existing resources to make a living. We approached Hamara Bachpan Trust and they swiftly helped us.
During skill need assessment and aspiration mapping of the women of the village, Hamara Bachpan Trust found that many of the women are interested in vegetable cultivation and mushroom farming activities which can be done using local resources. Hamara Bachpan Trust therefore facilitated the on-site training of women with the help of the local government through Rural Self-Employment Training Institute.
I have begun mushroom cultivation and I have set 25 beds in my backyard. I am looking forward to setting up more beds for mushroom cultivation and I am also planning to grow more varieties of mushrooms. If things go right, I might even sell my produce in other markets of Sambalpur.
Most of us are using our earning to further the education of our children, especially our daughters. The pandemic had led to the closure of schools, which has affected the education of many children of our village. However, we are saving money for our children's educational needs to ensure that their education continues. Our lives were affected because we could not study, but we won't let the same happen to our daughters.
PACE program is a way of empowering women to build their lives and their dreams. As a result of the training, numerous women of the village are now engaged in various income generating activities and are supporting their families financially. The empowerment of a group of women has led to the empowerment of the whole village.
Not only mushroom cultivation, after the training, women of village have also taken up vegetable cultivation as a profession. A terracotta help group was also made by women of the social self-help group. All these women together are contributing to the value addition and product promotion of rural products in the market.
The women of this village have set an example for the future generations to come. With their dedication towards their development and the development of the village, the women are creating history. The PACE life skill training is a commendable endeavor in women empowerment. I hope all women across the nation get the opportunity to give wings to their hopes.